Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Ford Escape key battery. It's a simple process that you can do yourself in just a few minutes. First, you'll need a couple of basic tools, a small flathead screwdriver or a coin, and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Having a soft surface to work on will also help prevent any accidental scratches to your key fob. Now, let's get your key fob open. Look for a small button on the side or back of the fob. Press it firmly to release the emergency key. Once the emergency key is out, you'll see a small notch where it was. Use the tip of the emergency key or your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery nestled inside. Gently use your screwdriver to lift out the old battery. Before inserting the new one, take a moment to notice the orientation of the old battery. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces up. Now, place your new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing upwards, just like the old one. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing and press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Next, slide the emergency key back into its slot until it's fully seated. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking your vehicle's doors, to confirm that the new battery is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.